In this demo, we're going to make a memory mate template using ImageQuix blueprint. From the home screen, we're going to go to the My Design section. Next, add a category, name it, and select Top Level Category. After you've created your category, go to Add Product and add a print product. Over to the right, you'll want to select a display image. Navigate to the location of the template and select that. Next, name the product, enter the dimensions, and enter the price of the product. You can also enter SKU billing code information for your own records and also a description of the product as well. Next, go to the design section at the top right corner of the screen. For this template, we're going to add it as a foreground image. Once you added a foreground image, go over to the right to choose image and browse to that template file. Next, we're going to add our image nodes. When you click on the Add Image button, you'll see the image node appear in the template. From there, you can place it and resize it to fit the spot on the template where the image belongs. Next, add a title to your image node. You can also adjust the size and position from the image node properties section. Under the image mapping section, you could select which image you'd like to appear within that node. Next, we'll add the group image. Following the same process, we'll title it group and match the image mapping. Next, we'll add text to the memory mate. After adding the text node, you can manually adjust the size and position. Add a title to your text node. After adding a title to your text node, you have other options to change the font, the color, the size, and alignment. Next, select where the text information will come from, whether the customer enters it when they order it, whether the studio enters that information, or if the information comes from any subject data, job data, or order data. Once you're done making all the edits to your template, hit sync in the top right hand corner to save all of your changes.